Okay, now I'm going to go see if I can get my lovely Morgan Knight to give me a smile, because he's also been pinned up all day because it's been raining. Come here, Night Boy. Can you give me a smile if I give you this treat? Show me your big smile. Oh, look. That is a big old smile. How about one more treat? See if you can do it again. Oh, you're a superstar. Look at that. Show me. There you go. Show me. Smile, Knight. Show me that smile. Okay. Come on. There you go. Oh, Knight. He's a happy boy. He's a dry boy, that's for sure. It's been a lot of rain today, huh? Alright, see you later. Bye, Knight. Yeah, you want another one. You're so cute.